play. So we'll be looking at what we'll be analyzing or looking at for the rest of the week. Alright, starting off with the pound dollars, just so you can see. Okay, let me move this right so you can actually see the what's it called, the pair we are trading. So you can see right here, we are currently trading our pound dollar. I think just three pairs: the pound dollar, XCUSD, and BTC Now, pound dollar, this actually structure are marked previous last week, so they actually still being validated. So there's no need of changing structure or marking new one. So for now, I told you then I'm actually still very much bullish on that. So this is actually still very much validated with my long trade profile. Stop loss is actually below this level, and then my first TP is at this level right here. So that's the first TP I'm actually targeting on this trade. So let's see how this actually plays out. This is what I'm actually looking at to trade on pound dollar. But then just in case you're not familiar with how these structures, maybe you can just watch the previous video that was up last week. That should be I think on Friday. I can't remember the day. Just so that video tells you about how I mark all the structure. So this is what I'm looking at for today. Now go to the next one. We'll be focusing on okay. Now let's go to the next one where we focus on BTC first before gold. Let's go to BTC. Now BTC is somehow similar to that of what's it called of pound dollars. Now if you look at it, they have been having a good time bullish move on the 15 minutes. You can see right here a good time bullish move. But then if you go to the 4-hour charts, now if you look at 4-hour chart, actually it's also being bullish. So in other words, we are looking for bullish setup on BTC USD. So let's see what 15 minute chart is saying. Are we seeing any recent bullish move on 15 minutes chart? I actually marked some structure, but then kind of similar to what I said earlier on. Okay, our structures are back. So you can see this structure actually marked. That was also last week, same time I marked that of pound dollars. So and that anything above this, I'm looking for long trades, and of course below this, I'm looking for short trades. So now since actually just long trades, and then you can see actually this setup where this market was really not really able to break below this level. Here, try it again here, right here, they can see breaking this internal level right here. So let me just mark this internal on this level. So you guys, so getting above this internal level, and then that is where my entry comes in. And of course, here is going to be my target. Entry is going to be right here. Target is going to be below this previous low right here. Okay. Then take profit is going to be at the minimum of 1:2 risk to reward ratio. I'm trying to put my okay. So this is where my entry is gonna be above this. Let's use this. Just know that above this is where my entry is gonna be. My stop loss is gonna be below this previous, and of course my take profit is gonna be minimum of 1:2 risk to reward ratio. So that's what I'll be looking at to do for today. Alright, let's go to the final one, which is XAUSD, which is all good. Okay, I'm waiting on my structures to come up. Alright. So you can see these on gold. getting to this level. Let me use this to mark level right here. So go to 15-minute chart. Remember, I'm still looking for long trades, except it gets below this. So long trade down here, and of course, I'll be more than glad to go above that. And of course, you can see already. You can also see it's already at the level. I don't know why. Okay, good. So that's where my entry comes in. All right. So here's my entry on XAU USD. And I think it's clear enough today. I think today's analysis is actually very straightforward because the structure that so we are seeing the same structure of your mass last week that's still very much validated. You can see that actually still being expected over and over again. So let's see how I'm going to play that video because this is what I'll be looking at today. Remember, we did this every single day. This is the first time coming across this video. Please do well again to just tomorrow for tomorrow's analysis. And of course, tomorrow is the next tomorrow is then of course we do it whenever we see market structures, whenever we see the market giving us good signs for us to go long or for us to go short. So if you want more of this, you want to become part of the family, please do it to make sure you hit the subscribe button and don't forget to share this video and please give it a thumbs up. That's it. I wish you a profitable trade ahead. Please ensure you stay safe, you trade safe.